Captain, no, I don't need them worry. No way, do me them worry. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon the wall. On mark, yeah. Another one bingo, check bingo. Can't do it up on the phone cause you don't know the tingo.
Yo, I mean alone notice that Alkaline a troll dancehall, like literally the man a troll a bag of artists in a dancehall right now. I mean know see a lot of people are gonna say yo nothing a go on for him fall off him seek attention. And even though we can admit say things kinda shady on film side right now. You see me? But outside of that, whole heap of things in a dancehall are going right now. It is because of Alkaline. And the man just a made so an easy back. And I laugh after them. And many people look past them things here, cause them just a stick to the basic what them see out there. Who say this in a song, who this, who wear that, who a link with this and who a link with that. But we don't know how we do things. We look further than what the majority are look and help to bring out the artistry more in the industry. If you ask me, from what year, Alkaline obviously him been up to no good. And speaking of who this, who from, who no this, who said that from, who no said that, Michael Wave get brave. Me see man make some post on him Instagram story like him really a call out Bounty Killer and Beanie Man and me I say no man. Boy Michael we have get brave from what they we have all of that to talk about. But before we get in a further details, me ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Do not hesitate to hit that like button and also leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get straight into it. So Alkaline now, all I'm fans them, everybody in a dancehall know how them man they do things. Them man they always stay dormant. If them man they not go put out a project, you not see them man they are post, you not see them man they are do nothing. In fact, you don't even see them man they none at all. So in an early part of September, we see him make that one poster which it is nothing outside of the ordinary. The man did have the music video for release and I think him post a synopsis of it and then later him post the actual video upon him Vivo or him post the video first then him post this. Regardless of which one post first, at the end of the day, him did go drop a project. So it is what him always do. Just tease the people them and make them know. So what you know? Yeah man, look out for this. Couple days after, or should I say about or almost 2 weeks after, him post this, you don't know him still build up some flames and some more fire around the track, which nothing no wrong. It is not outside of the ordinary cause I saw them man they go to work. Whenever them man they have a project, they make sure say yo, them kind of push little fire behind the project. Now what a lot of people never that expect to see is this picture when post on him Instagram about a day or two after him push little more flames on him latest track. Mind you, Alkaline no normally post this much. In fact, them man they no normally post nothing unless it's a project him a promote and him now decides say him a go post that picture here and him post it in a time when the clash between Gage and Sean Storm is well in an advanced state. So in my view, the man just a stamp him class and I make them know. So watch you know, me are still the young lad, the man himself, and the man not even stop there so because the same day before the day done, him post the next picture here upon him Instagram. Now this post was when we make the conclusion and say, yeah man, Alkaline him up to something. This is way outside of the ordinary what this man normally do. Yo, and guess what? The man not stop there so. The man just continue a post like him dep on a roll, like him just a send out a constant reminder say, yo brother, me are the young lad who no reach my level yet. Me pass on a level long time. Who no big in a music and no old in a music who no did it even before me. And me as a young youth forward and come do it way more than uno boy and uno still in on the old stage after you play catch up. And as me say, by them time here, the clash between Gage and Sean Storm, the well in an advanced state. We see Savage them, we see Sika Rhymes them, we see Fully Bad them. Everybody come out and them a call name. And what is common in a most of them song, them call Alkaline name. If they not call nobody name, them call theme name. So him just a send a constant reminder cause really and truly, I know them in one clash. I know them in a beat into a lyrical battle with him and massacre. We don't say that already. So when some little youth run this one over this one calling name, him just constantly give them a reminder. Like him I say, brother, me are still the youngest and the baddest. But everything changed. The whole dynamics of what go and change when he make that post here with him and Movado. Even made it off forward and talk about it, cause yo, it is a good look for the longest while people are wonder if him and Movado good. People are ask the question, them ask everybody what them can ask except the two artists them. But Alkaline forward and post the picture and make them know say, yeah man, Gully and Vendetta will still stay strong. And we see Movado what the over Trinidad that big up Alkaline same way. So that definitely in itself, it's a good look. But as me say, Alkaline obviously up to no good. Yo watch now, me not even go chat about this no more. Me will get straight to the point. Alkaline literally a laugh after almost everybody in a dance hall. Cause we know him and most are who in the industry don't good. It is obvious, and this picture when post said it all. And him a laugh after most of them for two reasons. You have one bag of little artists when nobody not even know about. I try piggyback on Alkaline career. Every single song them do, them call him name, which to me it makes no sense. You are a little artist, you are a new artist, nobody don't know you. And the little new artist then when they run you, you are called for them name and them not answer. What makes you feel like Alkaline are going to answer you? In fact, bigger than you call Alkaline name and him don't answer. So what you feel say so special about you for Alkaline answer? So all of them little artists there, him a laugh after them. Yeah man, just a little tam. The second reason why Alkaline a troll dancehall and a troll most people in a dancehall and a laugh after them is simply because the big artists them, yes, the massacre them, the squash them, the Gaza them, Alkaline basically call them out by name. And them nah answer him. Them a beat around the bushes. Them a say this. Them a say that. Them a go after another artist. And Alkaline just the right thing and make a stand up so and I say, watch ya. But them youth are coward. So me just feel like say that are the reason why Alkaline a troll dancer. I see him a post so much cards. And it's not really the attention. Him just a look on you and I say, yo, who is this little youth here? Where all of them artists here, I call up my name. And then now the big one them want cut down to size and make them know say, yo, yeah man, young lad still rule. Me take the initiative and call them out by name and deeds and all of them thing there. And none of them not even look my way. Obviously, them youth are coward and them youth are afraid of me. So all me can do, I just laugh.
Yeah, we are go hard. This is for bread that you must mad. That I go down a mad.
So Popcaan now, him get brave. And this is not me twisting where a man say or a say where a man don't say. What Popcaan say on him Instagram, it is as clear as crystal. It is as clear as the day outside. In fact, because of how clear it was, what Popcaan said, me not even I will give my opinion as to who him attack, why him attack about, or where the finger or fingers are pointing. But just I go read it to you and then you tell me down below in the comment section who no think him attack. So Popcaan took to his Instagram where he posted this on his story. If I was in Jamaica at the time, I would pull to Merciless funeral with the whole unruly family and send him off with respect and honor like the legend he is. And you see him have some clasp and 1 tree clasp and rest in ease G. True dancer legend. As me said earlier, me not even going to give my opinion as to who me believe him attack or why him said this. It is as clear as crystal why him said this and who the finger or fingers are pointing on. But more want tell me down below in the comment section. Anyway, if you are subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please do not hesitate to hit that like button and leave a comment. And if you are not yet a subscriber, it don't make no sense you wait. Subscribe now. Bless up.
After all, dog, you know so we had pan a call. 4 rifle in upon the wall. On mark.